Hi everyone, I'm Lesley from the Beck, and today's video is all about Canva and why we love it. Canva is an amazing app. My kids in my classroom absolutely love it. They ask me to use it all the time. I love it. It is one of my favorite apps, and I know that I say every app is my favorite app, but it truly is. It is such a versatile app. There is so much you can do with it. Okay, so are you looking for an app that can help you improve the way you make presentations, PowerPoints, worksheets, notes that go home to families? You just want to make them just a little bit more interesting? The Canva publishing program is definitely what you're looking for. Without explaining any more, I'm just going to show it to you. Let's get started.
So Canva is a publishing program. So think modern day Microsoft Publisher or latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint. You can make graphics, projects, presentations, flyers, infographics, digital animations, and so much more. When you sign up, make sure you sign up for a Canva for Education account, and that way all the things you have access to are all education themed. Canva is so easy and intuitive to use. Decide what you want to make, choose from the thousands of ready-made templates available for you, and then changing the features on the template are as easy as click, change, drag, delete. It's so simple. Once you've got your template, you can choose from a massive range of stickers, clip art, pictures. You can upload your own images, videos, and audio to use. You can add text with different fonts, colors, sizes, shapes, and so many more things. My class is using Canva to make oral presentations, infographics, and pictures to upload onto Seesaw as evidence of their learning. Really, the only limit to what you can create on here is your imagination. So here are some examples of things that I myself am using Canva for. I used it to create certificates which were given to my Year 7s at our end of year class party, a professional development session on developing your reading program at my school. This I use when my kids come in from lunch and we need to spend 10 minutes just having some quiet time and reflecting on how our lunch went. This is a template that I have set up in one of my Seesaw activities, which I give my kids on a weekly basis to complete their homework and then upload it to Seesaw so parents can see. You can create worksheets, because let's face it, sometimes we just need worksheets. This I got my students to create and send out on Seesaw to remind us what we needed to bring for swimming week. At the beginning of the year, we created infographics to teach each other about ourselves. This is the art project that my class is currently completing. The parents of your class are going to think you're very clever for sending home amazing digital graphics like this. Every Friday, my class uses Canva to make a post for Seesaw about how they have shown the school values that week. As literacy coach, I made these bookmarks for all my teachers to use when they're doing book club or literature circles with their kids. These are the roll cards. A research presentation that I did to introduce literature circles or book club as a means of engaging upper primary students. The annual Book Week poster. I used it to create the graphics for a series of webinars that I ran through my business. And I used Canva to make all my graphics for my YouTube videos.
So that was Canva. Like I said, the possibilities of what you can do with Canva are only limited by your imagination. It is just such a useful program. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe and please share with all of your teacher friends. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.